How to share books with family on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to share books with family on Audible. So I'm sure that you are aware of the fact that Amazon is closely linked to Audible, right? So in order for you to share books with your family on Audible, you would have to log in first of all into your Amazon account, just like I've done here. And so after logging into your Amazon account, the next step would be for you to move to the top right corner where you can see the option account and list. And then in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you click on the option um account, all right, the option account, or instead you can just double click on your account and list option this way. So after double clicking on your account and list option, you'll be brought to the accounts page automatically as well. And then on this page, scroll down until you can see your Amazon family and create a household page so that sharing books to that family will be a lot more easier. So click on Amazon family page, and then we go to the Amazon family page. So here you can see your Amazon family, add a new family member to start sharing Amazon programs or manage existing programs. So once you're on this page, you can decide to you can see yourself, then you can decide to add a new member. That is the person that you would like to share books with. So if the person is an adult, click on add adult, or you can create a profile in an account. So click on create a profile, and so go ahead and add a profile name for the person. So for example, I'll just type add my own year, all right, and then click on create, and you wait for it to load. And then once that's loaded, you now have a household page. And then once you have that, move to the left side of the screen where you can see the sharing icon, and then click on it. So after clicking on it, you can see under shopping, you can see the different things that you can help the person to shop for. You can see Prime Video, Alexa, but here we cannot find um books here. Books are not located here. So for that, move to the top right corner, click on the account and list icon again, and then the option displayed, select content and devices. So we take it to the content and devices page. Once you're on this page, you see music, then scroll down and then you see different audiobooks. So select the one that you want to share. After selecting it, you'll be taken to the next stage. On this page, you can see details about the book. Then by the right side, you'll see more that further details. Ensure you select audio book with membership. And so once you do that, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you can see the option give as gift. So select that and to load, and then you'll be brought to the gifts page. So here you can now decide to share this particular book with your family. So you can just enter the person's name, the recipient, and you're good to go. So this is how you can share books with your family on Audible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.